Look at my man, he out here killing it. Ah! Ah! Yo! We ain't even gonna talk. What it do, y'all? Hey! What it do, everybody? We are here. We have no plans for this vlog. We're gonna do whatever we want or whatever we can. Yeah. But we're gonna do whatever we want today. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're gonna do. Hey. You can see, this dude's like trying to cut me off. As you can see, we are on the way to 400 subs. We are currently at 397. Yeah! I guess I gotta put like a, y'all might have not heard that. Hopefully this mic is working, dog. But yeah, we don't have no plans of where we're going. KP is trying to leave the 600 squad, trying to get a 1000. I don't know why. Now he's like, bro, now I gotta go get a 1000 and match his energy. Nah, I can't do that shit. I really would love to do 1000, but I feel like I still got some work to do on the 600. Learn a lot more. Maybe take it to a track, and then after that, we'll see how it feels. But nowhere near nice on the 600. Yeah, I fucking missed out on Raps merch, yo. I'm mad as shit, dog. Fuck. Yeah, I missed out on Raps merch, dog. That one just made me sick. Cause I really like the one that said, you can change the world. That shirt was fire. But yeah, shout out to the first 400 subs, man. This grind is not gonna stop. I might even make this a 400 sub video. So, I didn't get my dirt bike, and don't even get me started on the dirt bike, dog. We about to get some action. Hold up. See if we can follow somebody. Hey! Let's see what we got going on right here. Yo, throw it up. Yeah. Throw it up. You want to throw it up? No, you can't? Yeah. Come on, light. We don't got all day. Come on, light. Come on, light. Come on, light. Come on, light. Here you go. It's not even green. Fuck it. Don't hit the bike. Don't hit the bike. Don't hit the bike. Oh, he's nowhere near it. I'm fried. This guy's fucking tin is darker than my fucking visor. Man, that rap song goes crazy. So I don't know. I like it, then I don't like it, then I do like it. I guess we'll give it, yeah. Because it's rap and he cool as shit, we'll give it a 7 out of 10. But that was really good. That Chipotle was super good. We are gonna go stop at, look at that zone. Look at that Jeep. That shit look like a toy. It look fake, right? Whoa, whoa. This boy love that gas tank trick. I ain't got that in my my stash. I can't do that one. But nah, so the Chipotle was super good. We're gonna be on the way back to KP's crib to get these stickers on the bike. I got not Vlogz, I'm stupid stuff. We're gonna put the chin mount on him. Shut the fuck up! Shut up! Shut up! Cry about it! Fucking cry! Cry! Get the fuck out of here! Dude's over here raging. It happens, dog. all upset. I don't
Hey, we fucking lit, YouTube. Shout out to Vlogz, man. Fucking goat.
Hey, this shit wavy.
Hey, YouTube. That R6 looks sexy as shit, don't it? Don't be jealous. Hey, YouTube, look at that tire, YouTube. YouTube, look at that tire, YouTube. Hey, Killer Cam! You gotta hook my man up, you hear me? Them boots looking too good. Oh, he bringing that bitch up. Yo! At the light, make a left. I'm up there! What's up? Wait till I get that GoPro, YouTube. Hey, Vaughn, look at my man up here. What the fuck? Hey, yo, what the fuck is that, YouTube? Look at my man, he out here killing it. Ah! Ah! Yo! Oh shit, my man almost dicked that thing. Hey, he out here getting it, Vaughn. He out here getting it. Hey, YouTube, make sure y'all like and subscribe. You already know what it is, man. I ain't even gonna say shit. Shout out to Vaughn, man. Looking out as always. We fucking lit. Hey, YouTube, let me know in the comments if you think Vaughn should get a fucking Jixer. Tell him to get off that R6 shit.
So yeah, as y'all could have saw, we had the KP cam on. That means he did get the mount. He's still waiting on his GoPro. He's gonna get the GoPro. There's no worries, no doubts about that. So now that he had like a test run with the GoPro, he definitely like wants one, like for sure. So we're gonna get him on one. Whenever he gets that YouTube channel started, obviously we'll put him in there. No questions asked. That's a 1,000? Oh, shit. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Huh?
Can't move. Too.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, it's a 6. Fuck that. I don't think I'm ready for that. 150 is different from 180. I'm gonna humble myself. Where you about to go?
This shit wavy.
All right. What year is it? 7. You ride dirt bikes? You ride dirt bikes?
This year that beat the 60.
Huh?
This year that beat the 60.
Oh yeah? Oh shit. They got 636, right? The 600 is the 636, right? The Kawasaki's?
650.
That's what it is, okay.
That shit fast too, that 650. That shit is about 160.
Woo! Fuck. Oh shit. Did a little wheelie. Pretty cool. Random guy to meet.